Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with affiliate marketing using Subreddit and Facebook. And this is the basic, very simple method for beginners, and you can generate good amounts of money. And I'm gonna show you step by step, so stick with me. First of all, you have to create Facebook account. And I just created a brand new Facebook account, and what I didn't do is to optimize. Just add your cover photo, add your profile photo. So now I basically just optimize this profile.
Oh shit.
Now you can do it more, but this is just quick to show you. For this profile I made like woman is Betty Trammell, and just edit one picture and just make it real, and I can add bunch of more informations and just make it real. Then go to subreddit, and the thing is, what we are going to do is groups that are based about specific problems, and you can do it your research. For example, lose weight, diabetes, and I don't know, brain fog, and just type it slash like that, and I already found lose weight. The thing is to find some people with the problem, and for example this lose weight, well-known health issues. Or okay, just create a Reddit account and join. So next up, now what we are going to do is, because we tackle some issues like lose weight in this case, now we're gonna have to pick a product that we're going to promote. I already picked the product on this the ultimate keto meal plan on Digit Store 24, and just promote now. Copy this link, right? But you can on CPA networks, this Digit Store, you can on ClickBank or any other. Just find a suitable product that will help them solve that issue, in this case lose weight. So now what we are going to do is create a group, create new group. Click on that. Now how are we gonna call our group? For example, can be lose weight or something like that. Okay, public. Make it public, or we can change it a little bit later. And now first of all, go to group settings. Here we can participant approval, and members to be visited must be approved and saved. Please set up participant questions and set add question. And now all these people that we from Reddit, when they come to join our group, we're going to ask them first your name, save your name, and create your email address. Save. We're gonna all this email address that we're gonna send. We are going to send them on email our offer.
I like it. Woohoo!
In this case, this the ultimate keto meal plan. And when they type it, their email, we're gonna send them on their email address. Now it can be your name, your email address. Can be these two questions. Can be some others like how much kilograms do you want to have? Okay, and pounds or pounds. I think it's pounds. Okay, can be. This is the crucial email address to when they type their email address to send them our this product on email address. Okay, now to optimize this, just upload the photo. I'm gonna skip this part, so as just download it on Pixabay or add a description, add cover photo, and create a post. Make some natural posts like some tips find on Google. Type it like how to lose weight, or the ways how you can lose weight easily, and copy paste all of them, or go to Canva and make it, just go to canva.com and log in and just make it like Facebook post, and just make it, for example, here, tricks how to lose weight. For example, best way to lose, tips and tricks, and just your mission is to okay, this is some drink more water, for example, change how or when you eat. Just copy paste all of it, or use Quillbot. Okay, now I'm gonna do it.
Hell yeah!
So I just optimized really simply
Nice.
this group, but you can do it more and more beautifully, and it looks real. So I just posted one post, but do it more. And description: in this group you can share some tips and tricks how you can lose weight. You're all welcome, please join and help others. And now invite members. How you can invite members? Simply, before jumping right to this Reddit, go to some related groups. For example, lose weight fast. All these groups, just find all these people and just message them here. For example, hey, I just created new group to help others lose weight. Can you please join? That would be great. Now, just where is the group lose weight? Here, group settings, and copy this group. You can add it like where's lose weight. Lose weight. For example, like this: lose weight 1 to 3. Copy it and just paste it here. And copy this message. Of course, you can do it. Of course, make it your unique. And just what you are going to do is just paste here this guy, and just all these people message. Okay, I'm not gonna do it but as many as you can. You can just send it, and okay, don't go like crazy, but you know, just for this only 10 people, but not all them message them at the same time. Just make it like pause and do it later.
Damn!
That is the way how to add people on Facebook. And now what we're going to do is here, find your group, create a post, and okay, I just type it this: hey guys, I put together a Facebook group for those of us who have problem with weight, and the goal is to share tips and tricks that work for each other. I hope all enjoy. It's completely free and will help spread awareness. Join and your Facebook group. And just paste it here and title you can lose weight. I don't have any, just type it lose weight and people are gonna see it. Post. Once they're joined and submit their emails, you can then send them offer, like say something, make something out like, hey, this is the keto plan for you, how you can lose weight, please check out, blah 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 blah. I think you got the point. So that's the method. See you in the next video. Peace.